Quick video here on how to divert water that was going back into the basement. This is just a little idea you can get. They make all the connection pieces needed, and I sort of lost the one that was needed, so I'm gonna go buy the correct fitting there. But gonna put the pipe in the ground, make sure that it has a nice slope on it, that it goes lower and lower, but don't start off too low because you definitely want to bury the whole pipe. And got a pop-up drain over here. Just telling you guys, they sell these things, a lot of people don't know. So when it overfills, it just pops up. Leaves and stuff can get stuck in here and you can open it up. Pretty cool idea. All the things go together. That's about it. So pretty cool idea. If you guys want to copy this and get the water from going back into your house or in your basement, you want to keep all the water coming off the roof this way. Make sure to check, just purchase this house. Make sure to check that it's not clogged. A bunch of crap was in there, so it wouldn't have worked anyways if I would have left it clogged. So keep an eye on this getting clogged and make sure that you put self-tapping screws so you can get in and out of there and clean this up whenever needed. That's it. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. This is what it should look like when you're all done. Pipe hidden in the ground. Got a nice slope going so when it rains, pops up, lets all the water out, not going in your house. About it, guys. That's how it should look like. You got your pop-up drain right here, and this is the finished product. All right, thanks for watching. If you learned anything, give me a thumbs up, and if you didn't, still give me a thumbs up. What the hell? Did all this work for nothing?